Welcome to the instructions video for the Modulation Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you analyze signal modulation parameters for amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation systems. It computes modulation depth, bandwidth, sideband frequencies, and power distribution to help you design and understand modulated communication signals. To use this calculator, start by selecting your modulation type from the drop-down menu, choosing between AM, FM, or PM. Next, enter your carrier frequency in the designated field, for example 100 MHz. Then input your modulating signal frequency, such as 5 kHz. For FM and PM, you'll also enter the frequency deviation or phase deviation. If using AM, enter the modulation percentage. The calculator will then display your results, including the modulation index, required bandwidth, using Carson's rule for FM, upper and lower sideband frequencies, and the power distribution between carrier and sidebands. These results help you understand spectrum requirements and signal characteristics. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.